Precision means to me working with close tolerances and having an expectation of yourself to make pretty much perfection every time when you make a part. My name's Kate Paice. My official title is CNC machinist, but I operate manually as well and do some surface grinding. Working at a company like Align that's been around for a long time, there comes a lot of experience from the employees that have been here. There's a couple of them that have really taken me under their wing and to help me in the long run to become a better all-around machinist. I've always been a person who has loved to learn, the ability and the opportunity to learn as many machines as I can, but learn them well and proficiently. What makes working at Align so special for me is getting to see the whole process from start to finish when it comes to machining. I work with someone who's extremely experienced with programming and process improvement. Together we look for new tooling when it's available. That creates that teamwork that makes you feel like a part of something. I really believe that working at Align gives you the chance to move forward, learn as much as possible, give ideas for better processes. In the world, we always need machine parts. That's the cool part, feeling important and necessary.